everybody, how's it going today? Here we got the ABBREE and Baofeng accessory kit. So you get a microphone, neck lanyard, you get a USB charging cable and a programming cable, along with an extra extended battery. I already had an extended battery on my radio, but two's better. I used this one up already, so this one's ready to go back on the charger. So I'm gonna get that one out of the way. Well, I'll keep it here for the video. I got to playing with this already, and this microphone right here is one that it just comes with. It's one of the cheap ones, like $7-8, and the audio is terrible. I'll show you here in a little bit, but yeah, I even drilled out the hole extra large to help out with the audio, and yeah, no, still terrible, but we'll give that a little test here in a minute. And right here, I ordered the orange Baofeng cord, and they gave me the red ABBREE, but it still works. I've programmed this radio like 10 to 12 times, 127 channels each time, and it works just fine. I got it all set up, so that's good to go. And then for my little go bag, I got a USB charging cable. So while I'm out camping, I can charge it up with my USB power packs. And it comes with this little disc. I mean, I don't need it for the programming, but it comes with it. So yeah, let's get a test of this going. I need to show you what I'm talking about, 'cause this mic is no good. I'll show you why.
Test, test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the Baofeng shoulder mic with the mic hole drilled out. Test, test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the Baofeng without any mic. This is stock configuration.
So yeah, there you go. I mean, these are kind of a piece of, CRAP, but it just kind of comes with the kit. I got the kit for the battery and the programming cable and the USB charger, because this is something I needed for the go bag. And so for $25, not bad. And usually the other kits out there, they have a different programming cable and it makes them $35. This one was $25. So I thought I'd give it a try and do a review to show everybody out there in a little neck sling. But yeah, I'm happy with everything except for the mic. I'm gonna get a Calm Mountain shoulder mic, and everybody's told me that that's a really good mic, so I'm gonna go with that one. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.